Well, here we are on Tractorless Time with Tim.
What?
I don't know how I came up with this idea. Yeah, we're here at my friend Daryl's house. Daryl, nice to see you. I'd shake your hand, but I got my...
Yeah, well, I
look
just
like
finished
I'm
mowing the
working.
lawn too, so I'm a little dirty too. That's all right.
Yeah, well, you know, Daryl said he was going to let me pull these bushes out. And then it's been so wet, and I call him back this morning and he says, no, I've already done it. So because of that, all we have to do is these stumps. We looked closely at the photos of them and thought they were just pretty close here to the deck. So we thought it was a good time to try out our new walk-behind Bluebird stump grinder. Now, you know, the number one purpose of this thing is to make me appreciate the tractor.
Hurry up, it's thundering in the background.
Yeah, no time for talk.
Okay, everybody put on your hearing protection.
No, you guys may not need it back there, I don't know.
This is just one small part of a larger project. Daryl and his wife took off railing around this deck, and these bushes were overgrown.
I'm sure you're asking why I'm using a walk-behind stump grinder. There's a few reasons, actually. Sometimes we just can't access the stump with our tractors. This grinder can get into a really tight place. The second reason is I just wanted to have this experience. Is it more difficult to use than a tractor grinder? Does it take longer? Are there other subtle differences that I might not have noticed? The third and most important reason is on a totally different wavelength. We get lots of questions from motivated young men who are starting their own lawn care business. Usually by the time they contact us, they've been mowing several yards and have actually saved up enough to buy a nice, small, zero-turn mower. Word gets out about the quality of their work and their dedication, and their customers begin to ask for more advanced services. Their initial question seems simple enough to them. It's usually, should I buy a subcompact tractor? I think that question is more difficult than it seems. It's a pretty big leap for a 13 to 15-year-old young man to spend $20,000 or more on a tractor and attachments, especially when such strong motivation may lead them in another direction after high school. So I've been putting a lot of thought in devices like this one. This Bluebird stump grinder is not as powerful and flexible as a tractor version. However, a strapping 15-year-old could easily handle it and could make a lot of money with it. Maybe this is a way to expand your business with small steps without making such a huge financial commitment in one gulp. And it might not be just the stump grinder. It might be one of the other variety of products at bluebirdturf.com.
Well, the question to which way does it go is everywhere.
Yes. Now we know. I'm glad you had that screen on your tent.
Right when you got started, one pelted me right in the leg. I was like, I'm just going to hide.
Did you manhandle it, or did it manhandle you?
Yeah, I mean, as far as grinding the stump, it does great. The hard part is moving it. I wish it were self-propelled. I wish that I had a lever for each wheel, right? That I could self-propel it forward and backwards.
Right.
But as far as grinding, it does just as good as a tractor grinder. I'm not quite happy with that yet.
Nicked it. Let us paint over it.
I just tore up your brand new deck.
Oh, it's not a brand new deck. It just got stained. That's all. We'll just stain it again.
I couldn't tell how far out there it was. I didn't think I was even close. Man. What are you going to put back here, Daryl?
Grass.
Okay, so you don't need it way deep.
No.
Probably would have been good before that last swipe. On the way home when we were reviewing this project, Christy mentioned that a piece of plywood standing up right alongside that deck would have not only protected us from damaging the deck, it would have also kept all those wood chips off of it and just made for a cleaner project. These were bigger stumps than they looked like in the pictures. It's really hard to estimate size from a photo, even when there's a reference laying there, like a wrench or a shovel. This thing would really cut, and that Honda engine starts smooth and runs smooth. I'd like to hear your feedback in the comments section. Do you think something like this would be good for a young man to get started or to expand his lawn care business? How about some of the other products at bluebirdturf.com? Seeders, aerators, etc. I'm thinking they could expand your services at a lot less cost than a tractor. Now here's an idea I should have had much earlier. That trench right there was causing me difficulty, and just a couple shovels of dirt made it a lot easier to push that grinder in and out. If you have started your own lawn care business as a way to pay for college or to fund some future expenses, I'm impressed. Keep up the good work. You keep working hard, and it'll pay off. At this stage, for sure, I would encourage you not to take on any debt. Make sure any equipment you get, you can pay for in cash. This will allow you to change directions in the future should you decide to pursue a different industry. Well, this machine definitely did the job. If you're physically in decent shape, you'll have no issue running this machine. If you're like me and a little cheeseburger challenged, well, don't do too many stumps at a time. On the other hand, it's a good workout and a lot more productive than the gym.
Well, it's raining now.
I think we got him, Daryl.
I think you got them.
So, we got rained out, Daryl.
It did happen, just like baseball.
Yeah, but you know what? I think we got through the 7th inning.
I think we did.
I think we can
I think
call
we
it
did.
an official
And now I'm
game.
realizing that my trash can's open.
Hey, thanks for letting us do your stumps.
Yeah.
And,
It's always fun to get a new toy out.
yeah, got a new toy.
If it makes money, it's not a toy. That's what my dad's rule is. If it doesn't make any money, it's a toy. So, yeah.
I don't know. That's a cruel rule.
Yeah. He's a farmer, so yeah, that's how we decided. You know, it's not a toy, honey. It's equipment.
Okay. I guess that works.
I hope.
Thank you, Daryl.
I'll make you.
And thank you for watching, everybody. And we'll see you next time on Tractor Time with Tim. I make a lot of noise, don't I, boys and girl?
Oh, they love it. They're loving it. The boys especially.
You know, Daryl said he was going to let me pull these bushes out. And then it's been so wet. And I call him back this morning and he says, no, I've already done it. My wife insisted that I do it.
She's
busy.
feeding
No
the
reaction.
kids dinner.
No
She's
reaction.
not looking at you.
Yeah, she's too busy, so.
Yes. I'm in the heat of the moment right here.